Are you ready to make 5 pairs of earrings in only 5 minutes? I am. Large hole beads. What do we do with these large hole beads? Any idea? Are you ready for 5 earrings? 5 5-minute earrings. That's what this video is all about. Are you ready for a different kind of challenge? Because this week we're going to make 7 pairs of earrings. I know, it's a lot, right? But you know, a girl or a woman or a lady never has too many pairs of earrings. In this video, we're going to make 7 pairs of earrings. Well, I set out to make 7 pair and ended up making 8, but 2 of them are a little bit alike. Can we make some fine jewelry, gold-looking jewelry, for a fraction of the cost? I'm Vicki with Avante Jewelry, and this video is about working with square beads. And we're going to make earrings. I'm not sure how many pairs we'll get to make in this video. If I don't get through all of these, well, we'll make them again another day. I'm Vicki with Avante Jewelry, and today we're going to make some Valentine earrings. I know I have Valentines in my hands, not earrings, but believe me, there's earrings underneath there. I've been going through my drawer of aqua and blue beads, trying to see what I want to work with next. And I pulled these 4 necklaces. So what do you think? Let's take a look at these. Today is another Minimalist Jewelry Monday. I don't know what day you're watching this, but it's Monday when I'm posting it. Today we're going to make 5 pair of minimalist earrings, and you can see the beads are really, really tiny. I have a lot of vintage jewelry, meaning lots and lots of jewelry. This is the necklace that I'm working with today. These are glass crystals. They're blue with kind of a purple tint with an AB finish. In this video, we're going to make some earrings using bead cones. Yep, bead cones. And I have a variety of sizes. I spent over an hour making 8 pairs of earrings from 2 bracelets similar to this one. I bought them at our Salvation Army. And yes, I spent over an hour upcycling 2 of the bracelets so that I could make earrings. I didn't know I was going to make 8 pair. Started out only wanting to make about 5 pair. In this video, we're going to make some earrings using chain and a few beads. And I'm going to show you step by step how to make them. In today's video, we're going to make 5 pairs of earrings, 5 beaded charm earrings. Yes, we're going to work with charms today, so I'm hoping that the earrings turn out charming. How many pairs of earrings can we make with post ear wires, chain, beaded chain, and jump rings? I paid $2 for this necklace at a church rummage sale. Beads, baubles, and boo. Yes, I decided to make one more video that is fall and Halloween inspired, and it's going to be based upon the colors that we would use for fall or Halloween. Do you hear that? It's time to make Christmas jewelry. Again. I say again because I've already put out my video for I love making Christmas jewelry. Welcome to our channel, Avante Jewelry. I'm Vicki, and in this video I'm going to be making some Christmas tree earrings. I know probably everybody on this planet has been making Christmas tree earrings for forever, and so have I. But something that I like to do